Hope you enjoyed the third challenge. Let's have a look at the solution. So I'm going to go over here to the panel and load in the file. And of course, I get the usual warning to ensure that my files are saved elsewhere. Okay, I'm just going to now scroll down and import some libraries and run this cell. And of course, my requirements are already satisfied because I've executed this cell before. And now here, I'm just going to load the CSV file into a data frame, and that's here. And of course, as a best practice, I want to make sure that I can see the first 5 rows of the data frame, and there they are. So exercise number 1 was to load pre-trained DistilBERT model and tokenizer. And this is what the code should look like. And I'm going to execute the cell. And then exercise 2 was to load DistilBERT sentiment, the analysis pipeline. So I'm just going to walk you through what that looks like. So first you load the pipeline here, right? And then you need to iterate over the rows and perform sentiment analysis with DistilBERT. And so here you're creating a list and you're going through every single sentence in the file. You're going to be assigning a label and a score. And once that's done, you're going to iterate over the sentiment results and print each entry. And again, this is what that for loop does here. And then, of course, there's a blank line for readability. And then the results will be saved to a new CSV file. So keep an eye out in this area once I run the cell. Okay, there's my output, but I don't see a file here, so I'm going to go and refresh this window, and there it is. Okay, so here's my output. My first one, your products are excellent. I really love the quality. So there's 5 stars, and here there's 4 stars for the customer service team in New York was helpful. So here's the output that you can see and look at. And so here, as a best practice, I really want to get a sense of the results of the sentiments. So I'm just going to do a little bit of exploratory analysis. First, I want to put those 5 rows in. And you'll notice here suddenly, as compared to the other table, now I have a score. I have a sentiment score and a sentiment label. And I'd like to see a word cloud. And here's my word cloud from sentiment analysis text. And I'd like to see a pie chart. And here's my distribution of sentiment labels. And I want to see a bar chart. And here it is, my stars by sentiment label.